we've come down to the River Lea today in Hertfordshire. First day of the season, sun's out, it's warm, it's not ideal, but we've got to give it a go, see how we get on. Going to roam around for a bit of chub and barbel fishing. We know the chub are active, we've spoken to a few anglers and a few have come out, seen a few. There has been a few barbel spotted, so hopefully they'll start to play ball as maybe as the sun goes down a little bit behind the trees. But you've got to be out enjoying yourself and having a go. So first things first, had to think about preparing some bait. Not knowing the stretch too well, I've decided to go for a sort of fishy mixture. Thought I'd go for a simple ledger running rig, down to a small bait for now. And got a few sizes of baits just to mix things up. But the important thing for me is my feed. I've gone for the stick mix, PVA stick mix. In this, I've gone for a heavy ground bait to pellet ratio. I've used the Spicy Krill ground bait, mixed in a good selection of 2mm, 4mm and 6mm Boosted Krill pellets. Put a bag of natural hemp in there just to give it that little extra bit of particle on the deck, so there's fish to look for. And then I've mixed it through with a good soaking of our krill method ready bait soak. Makes it into a nice crummy mix, but it's got a nice lot of attractants that are going to leak out of that when it's on the deck. There you have it, another nice, small, pristine little barbel. Has been hard, you can probably tell, we're a bit sticky, a bit sweaty, but they're here, we've had a few, that's the main thing. There we go, just about to pack it up, call it a day, and I see this fish underneath a willow, same swim as the last one. Couldn't help myself, had to have a little cast at it, little stick, 12mm boilie, and it tore away. It's not a massive fish, but it's made it a worthwhile trip and a job done.